Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to replace lost or damaged AirPods or case. 3 alternate solutions are given in this video, so let's watch the video till the end. The first solution is to book an appointment at Apple GeniusBar. If your AirPods are damaged, lost, or not working correctly, you should book an appointment at Apple GeniusBar. For more information, click the iCard to watch the video about how to make a GeniusBar appointment. Also, check the video link in the description. GeniusBar is a technical support service provider that provides users with help from Apple experts. You can ask your Apple product issues and questions and follow the next steps they suggest via call, email, or chat on the Apple website. The second solution is to get official help from Apple website. Apple set up certified portals to provide repair and service. So, replacing a single AirPod or charging case is easy for a fee. You can use the Get an Estimate tool to review potential costs. If you have Apple Care, you only have to pay an incident fee to replace a single or both AirPods with or without a charging case. You can get an estimate service and order a single AirPod or case with traveling limitations. To order one AirPod or case, go to the website on the screen. The website link is given in the video description. Scroll down the website page and enter the prompts in the Get an Estimate section. Suppose your one AirPod is lost. Then here you have to choose the service type as a lost item. Now, wait and see the service type selected as a lost item. Then click on the drop-down menu beside the product or accessory and choose your product from the list. After that, click on the drop-down menu beside the model and choose your AirPods model. If you don't know the serial number for your AirPods, click on the iCard to watch the video about how to find the AirPods model name and number. I am using Way to find my AirPods serial number available inside the lid of the charging case. Then, finally, click on the Get Estimate button. You will receive an estimate and see the service fee. In other cases, if your AirPods or charging case are damaged, then choose the service type as Other Damage. Now, wait and see the service type selected as Other Damage. Then click on the drop-down menu beside the product or accessory and choose your product from the list. After that, click on the drop-down menu beside the model and select your AirPods model. Then, click on the Get Estimate button. You will receive an estimate to check your service coverage to determine the service fee. Then, or if the Apple Care plan is available, go through the applicable Apple Care plan benefits with the suggested fee. Suppose you are choosing this online replacement service. A shipping fee will be added to ship your AirPods. Replacing your AirPods and charging case may take at least 10 to 12 days. If your AirPods battery is damaged or not working, choose the service type as a battery. Now, wait and see the service type selected as a battery. Then click on the drop-down menu beside the product or accessory and choose your product from the list. After that, click on the drop-down menu beside the model and select your AirPods model. Then, click on the Get Estimate button. You will receive an estimate and an Apple Care service. If you have an Apple Care plan, it includes battery service coverage. Your battery can be replaced at no charge if we test your product and its battery retains less than 80% of its original capacity. That's it. The third solution is to go through the Apple Store. Apple Store is a reliable option for buying single lost AirPods or cases. Apple sells replacement AirPods separately, so you don't have to buy a new set. Instead, you can buy just one or both AirPods. Go through the Apple Store like it's a lost or damaged AirPod, and you can claim a replacement. Once you receive a replacement of AirPods, you must forget your old AirPods. First, go to your iPhone settings app and tap Bluetooth. Now tap the Forget This Device option. After that, let's connect the new AirPods to your device. Before that, make sure your AirPods and charging case are charged enough. Next, put your AirPods in a charging case for at least 20 minutes to update the latest firmware version. Then, try to connect your AirPods with your iPhone. Open the lid of the charging case with AirPods. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Bluetooth. If you're connecting new AirPods for the first time, press and hold the back button for at least 10 seconds. Afterward, your device will show the AirPods name in the available devices list. Tap on it. Now, it will ask to pair the AirPods. Tap on the Pair option. Your new AirPods are connected to your iPhone. That's it. If you're having a question like, should I go with third-party AirPods replacement service? The answer is Apple doesn't recommend third-party websites because sometimes the user may get fake or duplicate replacement products. So, go through something other than the third-party AirPods replacement service. If your AirPods are not working after replacement, find the solutions in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos.